Welcome back to Endless Optimism, your endless source of optimism. My name is Fiona Spreadborough, and today we'll be talking about 6 animals that you should never swim with. Number 1, Moray Eel. Moray eels differ from other eels in having small rounded gill openings and in generally lacking pectoral fins. Their skin is thick, smooth and scaleless, while the mouth is wide and the jaws are equipped with strong, sharp teeth, which enable them to seize and hold their prey and inflict serious wounds on their enemies, including humans. They are apt to attack humans only when disturbed, but then they can be quite vicious. Moray eels are usually vividly marked or coloured. They generally do not exceed a length of about 1.5 metres. Number 2, tigerfish. Depending on the species, they are marked with one or several dark, lengthwise stripes and are swift, voracious, salmon-shaped, carnivorous, with dagger-like teeth that protrude when the mouth is closed. In the Indo-Pacific, marine and freshwater tigerfish are rather small and usually marked with bold stripes. The 3-striped tigerfish is a common, vertically striped species about 30 centimetres long. It has sharp spines on its gill covers, which can wound a careless handler. Number 3, Piranha. The piranha is any of more than 60 species of razor-toothed carnivorous fish in South American rivers and lakes, with a somewhat exaggerated reputation for ferocity. Most species of piranha never grow larger than 60 centimetres long. Colours vary from silvery with orange undersides to almost completely black. These common fish have deep bodies, saw-edged bellies and large, generally blunt heads with strong jaws bearing sharp, triangular teeth that meet in a scissor-like bite. Piranhas range from northern Argentina to Colombia, but they are most diverse in the Amazon River, where 20 different species are found. The most infamous is the red-bellied piranha, with the strongest jaw and the sharpest teeth of all. Especially during low water, this species can grow up to 50 centimetres in length and hunts in groups that can number more than 100. Several groups can converge in a feeding frenzy if a large animal is attacked. Although this is rare, red-bellied piranhas prefer prey that is only slightly larger than themselves or smaller. Generally, a group of red-bellied piranhas spreads out to look for prey. When located, the attacking scout signals the others. This is probably done acoustically, as piranhas have excellent hearing. Everyone in the group rushes in to take a bite and then swims away to make way for the others. Number 4, stonefish. Stonefish are venomous marine fish found in the tropical Indo-Pacific shallow waters. They are sluggish, bottom-dwelling fish that live among rocks or coral and in mudflats and estuaries. Thick-set fish with large heads and mouths, small eyes and bumpy skins covered with wart-like lumps and sometimes fleshy flaps that rest on the bottom, unmoving, blending almost exactly with their surroundings in form and colour. They are dangerous fish. When stepped on, it is difficult to see them. They can inject venom through grooves in their dorsal fin spines. Wounds produced by these fish are intensely painful and sometimes fatal. Number 5, electric eel. The electric eel is an elongated South American fish that produces a powerful electric shock to stun its prey, usually other fish. Long, cylindrical, scaleless, and usually grey-brown, the electric eel can grow to 2.75 metres and weigh 22 kilograms. The tail region constitutes about 4/5 of the electric eel's total length, bordered along the underside by an undulating anal fin used to propel the fish. Its name is not a true eel, but it is related to the character fish, including piranhas and neon tetras. The electric eel is a sluggish creature that prefers slow-moving fresh water, where it surfaces every few minutes to gulp air. The electric eel's mouth is rich with blood vessels that allows it to use it as a lung. The electric eel's penchant for shocking its prey may have evolved to protect its sensitive mouth from injury from struggling, often spiny fish. The terrified victim is stunned long enough to be sucked through the mouth directly to the stomach. Sometimes the electric eel does not bother to stun prey, but gulps faster than the prey can react. The eel's electrical discharges may be used to keep prey from escaping or induce a twitching response in hidden prey that causes the prey to reveal its position. The tail region contains the electric organs derived from muscle tissue, innervated by spinal nerves, and discharges 300 to 650 volts, a charge powerful enough to jolt humans. These organs may also be used to help the creature navigate and to communicate with other eels. Number 6. Great white shark. The white shark, which is also called great white shark or white pointer, may be the fish that needs no introduction because it is one of the most powerful and potentially dangerous predatory sharks in the world. Starring as the villain of movies such as Jaws, the white shark is much maligned and publicly feared. However, surprisingly little is understood of its life and behaviour. In the areas where they are most common, white sharks are responsible for numerous unprovoked and sometimes fatal attacks on swimmers, divers, surfers, kayakers, and even small boats. A white shark tends to inflict a single bite on its human victim and then retreat. In many instances, however, the shark rarely returns for a second bite. If the victim suffers a moderate bite, he or she may have time to seek safety. In situations where a large bite occurs, however, serious tissue and organ damage may result in the death of the victim. Many researchers maintain that attacks on humans stem from the shark's curiosity. In contrast, other authorities contend that these sharks may be the result of the shark mistaking humans for its natural prey, such as seals and sea lions. It is also possible that white sharks intend to attack humans, where their normal prey may be scarce. If you have any awesome animal footage you would like to share with us, email us with the email in the description below, and we might put it in our next video. We'll see you in our next video.